Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel Coupon Box, and here I am going to share 4 fresh coupon code which is working right now, where you will get amazing discounts. So here I am going to share 4 fresh coupon code which is working right now. If you want more videos on that, just check out my channel because I created one more video on that topic. Just go to this channel and go to the playlist and simply search for Fetch. You will get one more videos on that topic. You can check that too. So here I'm going to share new 4 fresh coupon code which is working on farfetch.com. So just watch this video till end. Here I'm going to share 4 fresh. So if it is working for you, just like this video, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. So here is a 4 fresh coupon code which is working right now.